If you're looking for a powerful new tool that turns long-form content into clear, structured summaries, Long Summary AI is the just-released software you need to know about. But before you dive in, here are 7 crucial things that could save you time, money, and frustration. And yes, you can try Long Summary AI completely free from the first link below. Stick around because I'll show you the one feature most people overlook, but it's what sets this tool apart from every other AI summarizer out there. So let's get right into it. First, the UI is shockingly clean. You won't need a tutorial. Paste your content, hit summarize, and get structured bullet points, key takeaways, and even action steps within seconds. It works with YouTube videos, podcasts, PDFs, blog articles, and full websites, making it an all-in-one tool for researchers, marketers, students, and content creators. Second, the accuracy is next level. Unlike older summarizers that give you vague fluff, Long Summary AI uses real-time language modeling to actually understand the structure and meaning of your content. It even lets you choose different tones, academic, business, or casual, depending on your audience. Third, the export options are crazy useful. You can copy the summary to clipboard, download as a PDF or Notion-ready doc, or push it straight to Google Docs. If you're in content marketing, this makes repurposing a breeze. You can turn one 30-minute podcast into a blog, email, and tweet thread in minutes. Fourth, it supports multi-language input and output. That's a game changer if you're doing global research or creating content for different markets. It handled a full Spanish legal document I tested and gave a surprisingly accurate English summary with key clauses highlighted. Fifth, and this is where it really pulls ahead, it keeps the source formatting in mind. Most AI tools just compress info, but Long Summary AI maintains the original context, hierarchy, and structure. That's crucial if you're summarizing something like a sales page or academic report. Sixth, the speed. It's fast, even with 10,000 plus word uploads. I tested it on a 45-minute YouTube transcript and had a complete breakdown, including timestamps and topics, in under 30 seconds. For time-strapped users, that's gold. And finally, pricing. Long Summary AI has a generous free trial and transparent tiers. No paywalls mid-summary, no sudden upgrade pop-ups, just clean, scalable use. Perfect for both individuals and agencies. Now here's what most people miss. Long Summary AI isn't just summarizing, it's repackaging content. If you're in SEO, email marketing, or social content, this tool basically becomes a content multiplier. And in a few weeks, it's rolling out team collaboration features and Zapier integrations, which could make this the go-to summarizer for agencies and startups. So if you're thinking about trying Long Summary AI, grab it now while the early access is still open. You'll find the free trial link in the description. And if you're looking for the best AI tools overall, after testing thousands, my top recommendations are all listed in the description too. Go check them out.